السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Hope everything is good. Uh, Let us do some top-down analysis here. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, everybody. Let's go. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. What? What's going on? What? YouTube. We are live. Let us do subtotal analysis here. Okay, the daily candle. Look at this daily candle has closed with a very strong bullish candle. See this daily candle. So it closed above this, but also closed below this level. So there's something happening. I don't know. This daily candle that doesn't have a topic. Maybe it was supposed to go to this level, then start rejecting something like this. It's supposed to do like this, go up, push up, push up, and start flipping. Have a week like this. Supposed to have a week like that. This one could be better. And now it started just pushing down. So let's see the 4 hour it's doing. Okay, the 4 hour candles are pushing down. This one has closed below this level. If you look at this 4 hour candle. No, it has closed above actually. So this possible reaction. This is a very strong resistance on the 4 hour. So price came rejecting. It's rejecting now. This level. So this level is very important. We're gonna focus on that level until you see something below this level. I'm not gonna touch. Let us see. Even if you look at the lower time frames, the 1 hour, 30 minutes, and 15 minutes, they are doing something. They are. It's like they are trending down, but I'm I'm focusing on this level actually very much. So let us see what the 1 hour is doing. We have a support on the 1 hour. Created some sort of a support. We have this resistance. We have a resistance here also. So this resistance is of this resistance. What do we have? By the resistance, we have a clean range, which is almost 56 pips. And below this level, we have a clear range on the left. If you look at it, and price is starting doing something like it's like it's trending down. Okay, 30 minutes also we have the same support resistance, the 30 minute. So maybe if this one closes below this level, we have clean range on the left side. We have something here, but I think price will push. Price has to push. If you close below this level, I'll be open for the sales here. I'll be open for the sale. I'll be open for the sales. So let us see. That is it. So let's see what we have on this Forex Factory. Okay, Punch Fred. We have Euro News. We have GBP News. We have USD News. This is 330, 430, 450 minutes, somewhere there. So you have to keep an eye. You have to keep an eye on this. You gotta stay away that time. Price is now pushing. It's pushing, pushing. Wow. Waiting is the name of the game. You have to wait all the time. You gotta wait. You gotta wait to get paid. This candle is just pushing, no waiting for us. Just pushing, 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 pushing. The next one should go create a topic, something like this. Go up, create, touch this level, then flip. That's where I'm gonna be interested in this step. 5 minutes, 7 minutes remaining. The candle to close. So this 7 minutes, a lot can happen, So a lot can happen. So this candle has to close near this level. Whenever you're taking a sell, or you're taking a buy, always, 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 you need to take near a support or near resistance. See, near support or near resistance. If you want to take a sell, this is you want to take a breakout. Huh? You want to take a breakout, let's say. This kind of process something like this. Then start taking something like this. Start taking. Sometimes works, but most of the time, from experience, I've not. It doesn't work. So what you're supposed to wait is wait for the candle for the candles to test that level. Maybe if this candle goes up, it starts flipping. Maybe that time there's good probability for the price to continue pushing down. But the best way is for the candle to close very near to the level. Closes like that, and clearly. It's closed clearly. The next one gets a bottom wick, breaks the low of the previous one. That's nice. That one I'll be open for. Unless you take this trade, this one. Unless you take from here. The best way is to take near the resistance. This one here. If you didn't take there and you try to take here, this case I'll wait for resistance to be found. Price to come back. I don't care even if the next one's move 100 pips. Just wait for something like this. Something like this to retest this level actually. Then create resistance. Then go from that. In this case, this one I could have executed actually, because you see price when it's going down. Price when it's going down, it creates what? Creates high highs and high lows always. When price is going down, creates low lows and low highs. See? Something like this. This one, see, created a high, price goes down, come back, created a high, price goes down. You know? So you have to sell from here, sell from here. When you're selling, always sell from the resistance. So if price goes like this, you know, the breakouts I always look, it's breakouts from when it is price is, no, this one is what happened yesterday. See, price closed above this level, very strong. See the next one, what did they do? Came back to the level. See, that this comes with experience. See, price closed above. How many pips? If you calculate, how many pips is this? This one is 30 pips. That means even so you have to take patience. So you have to keep in mind, how did the candle close? It's not just breakout. It's breakout with knowing what you do. In this case, this is breakout, but how much is, how long did it move from the level? 27 pips. See, price can just test, then start continuing. Maybe you take it from here, start taking from here the trade. Say let this candle go up, create a bottom wick, and break the low, the previous candle. Price just reaches here, comes back, hits your stop loss. Tests there, maybe even goes up further, creates a resistance from here or from here, and it starts pushing down. You know, that comes with experience. So price will just come back, something like this, create resistance again, start pushing down. You have already taken the L's. You already taken the loss. Sometimes it works, but the probability is too low. Probability is too low. So when price moves a lot, never think of taking a trade. When price was in this movement, I was waiting for a pullback to happen. Something like this. This one. See, price went up, then it has to create a pullback and continue pushing it. Same thing will happen. Always. Sometimes price will just move without waiting for you. You have to just let it do what it want to do. Always just let it do what it want to do. Price, just let it. The only thing you can do something in this industry is patience. If you're patient, you will make some. If you are patient, I am 100% sure you'll make something. But if you are not patient, the market will really humble you. The only thing I could have executed this trade is from this level. The only way I could have executed this trade is from this level. When this candle went up, created a topic and was breaking its own low. Just take the sell. Place your stop loss above this level. And now you could have been in very good profits. And if you let it the trade run, it's good. Yeah, very good. So price will come back, create resistance, and start continue. If you didn't take from here, now just wait. Just wait. You get something, okay. So if you don't get, it's also okay. The only other way you could have taken the trade is from that level, from here, from this resistance. See, when this candle created a bottom wick, flipped, just execute. Don't care about the outcome. Maybe you could have put your stop loss here, and now you could have been in. Yeah. Could have been just trailing your stop losses. Yeah, wait for another time to for the price to create resistance and continue pushing. Ah. That is the way to do it. That's the way to do it. The only thing was that was making me nervous is this level, but already price has broken through. Because see, if you look at the 4 hour, we are in a downtrend. See, price is creating highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. See, even if we broke this level, because this one was short trend, short uptrend, short uptrend, short uptrend, short uptrend. See, this is also. If you look at the 4 hour, we have beautiful trend down. You do it from here. Price is trending down with the 4 hour. And if this doesn't do that and this candle crosses like this, you know, crosses like this. Sorry. If the candle closes like this, then I'll be open for the sales also. I'll be open for the sales also. This is a pattern I have seen many times happen. So that's what you should wait. That's what you should wait. But this cannot cross bullish because if we have been in a very strong downtrend, something like this. See price when it moves a lot, I don't try to do something with my head. See price moves, create resistance. Price moves, create resistance, resistance. See price moves, create support. See? So you have to. You don't know when it will create support or resistance, but you have to wait for that support to happen, for that resistance to be formed. You don't know if this one will come back and create resistance. See this one, and this candle moved a lot. You don't know. Just wait for resistance or Yeah. And you see what I was talking about. This is just doing what I was talking about. See, it's coming back to this level. Now, if it breaks its own law, it's good. But I want something else. I want to see some form of resistance to be formed. I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna take this until I see resistance to be formed. You know, stance should be formed. Beautiful trend today. Price just push down. Sell, sell. Oof, very nice. Very nice if you took these trades. If you take these trades, it's good. Stop. Yeah, man. It's the what happened to Okay, price is coming back. You see what I was talking about. What I was talking about is happening. See, when this kind of process far from there, just leave this random move. See, don't just guess. Just take execute the way it is. Price will create resistance and push down now. And if you are taking the impulse, maybe you took this trade from here and you placed your stop here. Maybe you have already taken your profits. This one you have already taken your profits. Yeah, let me see. Here, let me see the 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes is pushing so hard, you know, pushing so hard. Create resistance, then I think price is also rejected from this level. You look at this level. Price may also reject from this level. But the momentum with the 4 hour is so strong. It's bearish. Look at this. This one didn't respect this one. It's pushed down. Sometimes it reacts too, but see, just prove it just went through. That's why I'm waiting for the resistance to be formed. The price is just bearish to my side. It's bearish. The daily, I don't know the daily. The daily is bullish, but previous daily close bullish. I don't know when will the daily flip and go up. It's not giving us what we wanted. 30 minutes is just for me. 15 minutes create resistance. You're gonna get something like this coming on the way. Boom. That's what will gotta happen. Let us see. Sulallah, sa. Yes. Mustafa. Next candle should go wake up, go like this, create a bottom wick. Then when it's breaking the low, I'm gonna get in. Okay. The price will continue until this level. Let us see. Waiting is the name of the game. You have to always wait. You have to always wait for the best setup. This one was a good setup, but this one, the upcoming one, is better because there's some sort of support here, which was making the price to. But overall, the price was pushing down. But overall, price was just pushing down. So this one was okay. It was okay. This one was also okay. These were the two trades I was supposed to take, and I always look for that. Always, always. Yesterday, I was looking from here price. This one. This one was the nice trade actually. Also, yesterday was nice, very nice. Price closed above. Stop loss will be here. This is what happened. Also, this one was another trade. If you look at the 30 minutes, this candle has closed above this resistance. But the 15-minute was showing something actually. 15-minute was ranging in this place. But when this candle broke the high, boom. The same thing is going to happen. This was the best place to take, and this one was also another trade. Continuation, continuation, continuation. The crucial part of this thing is the mindset, psychology. You have to look at your psychology when you're trading. That's very important. Very, very important. The way you feel when you take a trade. Even if you look, no one doesn't take a loss. Everybody takes a loss. This is a probability game. So you have to think like you have to think in a probability ways. So if you take a loss, what is the best way? What is the best thing to do? It's just you take a loss. If you take loss, what are you supposed to do? Take a loss. What next? Take a loss. What is the question is what is next? Huh? That is a big question you should ask yourself. So you have to just close the chat and continue with the day. Close the chat and continue with your day. That's the best thing. Because next day, tomorrow, or the day after tomorrow, if let's say yesterday you have taken a trade, yeah, you've taken a sell, let's say, outside the day, you took a sell and you got you stopped out, you are stopped out. And today you could have taken a sell also and got a buy here later in the day, and you could have gotten this trade. So the most beautiful thing is if you just take a loss, just close the charts and go. Because even if you take tomorrow another loss, that's just two losses. Let's say you have taken one trade today, you lost, until you have given another shot, you have taken a loss. Then you said, I have to make back my money. I have to press. So you took another loss. That's how many losses? Three. Three losses in a row. That's three losses. Those are three losses in a row. Three losses. You see? Taking three losses in one day. Come the next day, you take another loss. Yeah, yeah, down in four trades. You come, then again, you give it another shot, you took a loss. You are five trades down. But let's say you have taken a loss today. Just call it a day. Come tomorrow, take a loss. Call it a day. Come the day after tomorrow, take us, take profit. Or you made profit. You made bad. You make bad. You made bad all your loss. The only way I'm gonna execute is trade. The stop loss will be too big actually. But we'll manage it. We have to manage at 6 pips, 3 pips. Let's see. If you look at the 15 minutes, so sell has rejected. See? So that's why I don't want to take from here. That's what I take from here. Price is not moving. Gotta be patient, patient, patient. Beautiful. Price is just consolidating here. Open this lambda session, I'm open to bring some volume, but okay. If this candle crosses bearish, if this 30-minute candle crosses bearish like this, I think we'll start pushing down. Start to build crosses like this. Just the same as this one. 2 minutes not looking good, right? So you have the support, small support here, and then you press on. Maybe this 15-minute candles will push, but overall the trend is down. It's bearish. So crosses bearish. Next one crosses bearish. This is bearish below this level. It's good. And that is what we'll see. Clear range on the left side. Let us wait. But this one can just, the next one can just push up like this. They create some sort of resistance. Yeah, it's good. That is good. You see. Whichever way. The price just continues pushing up. I don't know price will go. You just follow the trend and the price will just continue pushing. Or wait something like that. So how will I get to the buys? Maybe if this whole process work like that. And the next one process. So bearish about this level. Have you open for the buys? Yeah. Take this sell. If you want to take this sell, maybe you place your stop loss. Where are you supposed to place your stop loss? Because this is risky within the range. Maybe about that level. And you want to go break even when price reaches this level. Just let its price move. اسمه waiting here. there اسمه waiting. أو when start a minute cross بلاش. 10 minutes can just run. I don't know. Start running down. Maybe. Looking like this. Why? Same structure, you see? Here there's support. Let's start pushing. Same thing. Just the price pushing down. So this probability if price just goes up. But I think this is gonna work also. Special day, our hearts are full of pleasure. To of you, gathered here to celebrate. And to always treasure. We ask Allah to make your love last forever. Let's raise our hands and make our like the Prophet taught us. And let's all say, بارك الله لكم وبارك عليكم كما بين innocent blessings and grant you get to make your home. After let's raise our hands and make our like the Prophet taught us. And let's all say, بارك الله لكم وبارك عليكم كما بين بارك الله بارك الله بارك الله بارك الله بارك الله لنا بارك الله لنا الله بارك لهما الله أدم حبهما الله صل وسلم على رسول الله الله تب علينا الله ارضى عنا الله ارضانا على سنة نبينا. Let's raise our hands and make our like the Prophet taught us. And with one voice, let's all say, بارك الله لكم وبارك عليكم كما بينكم في خير. So if this 4 hour candle closes bullish, that's when I'm gonna look for a trend for the buys. If this closes bullish, hey, that is nice. 4 hour closing bullish, that's great. Like this one. See, this one closed bearish. The next one, what did it do? See, 4 hour bullish, push up, push up, bearish, push up. So it means if the 4 hour creates support, then it's done. The daily candle will have to play flip, and then we'll have to go to that. This level will be broken because it's very near. This support is near, so price will push to this level. That's what I'm thinking of. I'm thinking of this level. Really thinking of this level actually. That's where price will go to. See, we'll see. This one, the price will have to go through. When price is moving up or price is just moving down, this one I'll repeat all the time. It's what? High highs and high lows, lower lows and lower highs. So this low should be lower than this one. That's why it's called low high. This high is lower than this high. That's called lower high. That's why it's called low high. This one is lower low. This one is lower low. This is lower than this one. That's why it's called lower low. Lower low. Smaller than. Other than. So this one, it's very, very, very important to recognize the trend. If you get a trend in market like this, you should not jump the trend on this one here. Instead, if you try to jump from here, what will happen to you? Let's say you say the price is going down, everything. Sell here. Place the stop loss. If you're long term, it worked for you, and you know what you're doing. But if you want to place your stop loss below this level, see this breakout, and you take it. See what happened to you. Price went through and came down again. So in this case, if you want to make your stop loss small, take the sell from here. If you didn't get an entry here, just wait for another entry. Beautiful entry will come. Stop loss maybe place above this or place above very tight. You know, if price hits here, if this price hits this support, now you have what? 1 to 2 almost. Almost. See? That's nice. See? You see what's happening? So the same thing with this thread. I want to focus just this one. I want to stay on the 30 minutes because see the way the 15 minutes going. I need something clean like this. Clean something like this. Clean, clean. On the left side, it should be clean so that I don't hesitate to return. I don't fear. So this one the next one has to cross. City Chiefs and the Los Angeles Chargers live from Sao Paulo. Saturday. So I need this 30 minute to close. Next 30 minute to close like this. Bearish. But if I see the 4 hour close is bullish, I don't want to take it. Any sell again. We're looking for the buys now. Something like that. Okay. Yeah. 4 hour is closing within 1 hour, so maybe we'll get a trade. And before that 1 hour close. If the prices want to change the trend, start going pushing up, get support again, push up, get support, push up. So that's what I want to see. I want to see a trending market. I always like when the market is trending, because there's full statement that say trend is your friend. Always, always, if you're following the trend, you'll win. But if you're trying to go against the trend, you take a buy here, price push down, that's to create support, resistance to move down. Because what? Price came down. Maybe this one was making sense for the buy because see we have support, price came to this support, created support, confirmation candle. Instead of pushing up, it what we need to do, because we look at this move. Then when price moves like this, I always think of price came down, create a support instead of continue to push, create a resistance. So that means what? That means price is going down. Impulse move, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. This correction now, and impulse maybe. If not that, then this support will be broken and start moving up. Okay, support, impulse, correction. See, price will start moving that way. So it's in a retracement. We don't know which phase we are in. Actually, the bias is making sense above this level. See, best bias are supposed to be above that level. Actually, but if price continues and starts trending, creating high highs and high lows, I think it's okay to go with it. Because before I will confirm that. That is probability, you know. And that is probability, you know. Probability may not favor you again sometimes. So you have to accept if you take a loss. If you're following the trend and you take a loss, just is okay. Because probability, you're working with probability. So most of the time you should win. 60, 70% of the time, the trend should be win. And if you add with this thing, with this one thing I'm gonna tell you now, I think it makes sense a lot. Because price when it reaches resistance, it always let us see when price was trending down. Let us say this price was going up down. See price moved, it rest. See when price touches resist a support reaction. You see reaction. Most of the time it will react to the support. So when price comes back to this level, always see when price comes to the support, it will react. So you have to when you are taking a trade, you have to know why you are taking it. Yeah. 15 minutes is rejecting this level now. From this level.